the Gnome in St. Paul on Selby. You might know it as the Happy Gnome back in the day. Now it's just the Gnome.
Or Zelda.
Really back in the day, Zelda.
Named after J.F.
No, F. Scott Fitzgerald.
Wife?
I got Grandma's chicken sandwich with fingerling potatoes.
I got,
Maybe I'll do like this.
what did I get? Roast beef?
No, barbacoa with the raclette and fries, and we got squash soup.
They have homemade ketchup, I believe.
I've never seen homemade ketchup. Right now, Trader Joe's is selling sweet tomato jam. Back in the Little House on the Prairie days, tomato was seen more as a sweet pie filling instead of a savory tomato. I would guess acorn squash. I don't really know. The papitas on top of it are a little bit spicy, which is a surprise. I don't know what that is. Squash. Didn't I read that it was caraway creme fraiche, and I was afraid I would hate it? Oh, yeah. That really is caraway creme fraiche, and I really do not like caraway.
Well, you knew it.
I know it. I know. I thought maybe I could trick myself if it wasn't in a bread. The soup itself, though, is bananas. The pepitas are delicious.
I think I've been speechless. I'm speechless.
Really?
It's exactly the shit I like.
What is on top?
I don't even care.
You have French fry, JoJo French fries.
I'll make ketchup too.
Those fries are delicious.
Amy, try this shit. I'm not kidding, man.
It's like chipped beef on toast.
You know, right there's
Here.
Tell you grew up in the 80s.
She can't take me anywhere. You love barbacoa. That's really quite good. Fingerling potatoes. So today is November 20th, 11/20/2020. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
The last day that restaurants can be open in Minnesota.
Tomorrow.
Because today isn't the 20th, today is the 19th. I forgot I took an extra day off work this week, so now I'm all confused.
What I got on that fingerling?
I haven't tried the, I'm not sure.
Eat your sandwich.
I haven't tried my sandwich.
Delicious.
Mm.
You don't even know what you're doing.
No, pickled cabbage or something, pickled slaw or something on there, or cabbage pickles or something. I read it. So there's like an article about like there's a big chicken sandwich thing happening in St. Paul, like battle of their chicken sandwiches. Popeyes is good. This one is better.
You read that.
I learned from Susan that she went to Chick-fil-A twice in the last year.
You need to edit that out.
I'm not. I think that people should know who the real you is.
You want to know Amy's favorite TV show?
Yeah, I want to know my favorite TV show. Right now, I like Manhunter.
I don't have any comeback to that.
I'll tell you, this is
Desperately
delicious.
hungry and there was nothing in sight.
Chick-fil-A is literally across the street from Burger King, Arby's, KFC, McDonald's, Famous Dave's, Firehouse Subs, and Caribou Coffee. So I can see how it was her only option. I'm gonna dip this in your raclette. Is that raclette?
Shit, it's delicious.
So the Gnome is in. Dude, check out the fireplace outside. The Gnome is in old Happy Gnome. This is an old
Firehouse.
firehouse. They commissioned 1920s custom furniture, which is escaping my notice right now, unless it's a super cool wraparound bench. Looks like a roll-up desk, and the floor, they went down to the original concrete flooring. They have an open, everybody can see what's going on, kitchen.
Open kitchen's always nice.
And they've got like 105 taps of beer. They do not have custom cocktails for sober people. We asked, is it a custom cocktail for sober people? Good. Good. Okay, the potatoes are like little balls of mashed potatoes. They're so tender inside.
Very attentive staff.
So, Minnesota. Your favorite restaurants are completely screwed right now. People are dying from this disease. Shit has to change. But all of the servers, all of the chefs, all of the owners are completely screwed if you don't do something. Let's take a stand. Go get some fucking food.
Or our politicians.
Right. Actually, I get really feisty about that one.
Bailout, you need it. Does it?
I think Walls is amazing. I'm just going to throw my politics into the pot right there. Walls is doing an awesome job in a shit situation. Restaurants need help.
If you can do better, then call.
What?
If someone has a better idea, call Governor Walz.
Right.
Give him that idea.
He'll probably have you on the 2 o'clock MDH shuffle, which said that yesterday 7,900 Minnesotans just contracted COVID and got tested positive. So the Gnome is going to be doing takeout next week and for the foreseeable future.
Remember how we went down from week to week or month to month and we just kept extending it? I have a sad feeling that's what's going to happen. We're going to go right into March.
Sure, like a vaccine.
It's
Sure, a
gonna be a
vaccine
rough
might be
ride.
available. Doesn't mean we're going to get it.
It's going to be a rough ride.
Yeah. But at least Susan and I are still grateful that we are still employed, and for that reason, and we continue to eat. FYI, the eating thing, I just have to say, I have successfully packed on the COVID-19.
What did you just say?
I weigh 19 pounds more than I did 1 year ago.
Yeah, you have.
I should only eat half of this and take the
Just so
other half
you know, we
home.
don't go running these restaurants like fools. We go early.
Right. We got here at 3:45, and it's a little too crowded for our liking. There's one other couple.
And they're literally across the way.
Hey, you like fennel, right?
Yeah,
I'm going to give you all of the fennel creme fraiche.
You're whack, dude. I don't like fennel. Or caraway.
Oh, caraway. Oh, I'm
Big
sorry.
difference.
God, I love squash. Whenever we go traveling, I always like to get whatever vegetable soup they're offering. Places do weird-ass soups, like different countries.
They're never good.
Squash is a very broad category, especially in other countries. I like the wood paneling. I like this part the best.
All right, we gotta go.
All right. Shop local, buy local, get some takeout. Everywhere's doing takeout. Go out in the next 2 days and guzzle down a couple kegs of beer.
People are having a discount beer going on
Everywhere in St. Paul, $2 taps.
till it's gone.
I wish there were
Tap
$2
runs.
Dr. Peppers.
This is how you really spread the shit. Do tap runs.
I don't know what that means.
Put the tap in your mouth. Remember the plastic taps? You just run it in your mouth.
That's disgusting. And I drink a lot, and that's disgusting. I've always been a bit of a germaphobe, though. I don't want you tapping my mouth.
Oh, I like that shit.
Okay, there's a lot of
Bye.
food.
You gotta go.
Bye.